I was not even supposed to record. I'm about to take a flight 2 hours from now, so I have to rush things a little bit, but XRP just went to $2.12. XRP is on the move. We have been the crypto markets making a tremendous turn in the last 48 hours. It might be a response to the US President Donald Trump arresting Nicolas Maduro in Venezuela. Now, before we get overly excited, I'm preparing an XRP markets update, so let's get started. Let's see some key levels on the XRP charts. Is XRP heading towards $3? Is a retracement coming? What you should be watching on the XRP chart? What are the key levels? Let's find out. Well, as you can see, XRP right now is trading at $2.08. We had a run to $2.12, and then we had a retracement to $2.08. And here's the deal. I'm not overly excited with XRP until we break these critical resistance levels in the chart. I highlight this on the chart as I have written here in green, bulls in control, and that would be this yellow line here. In other words, XRP would have to break above $2.30. The good news is that XRP did manage to defend $1.60 on the charts. This yellow line that you can see here, this is working as the major support levels on the chart. Losing that could have catastrophic consequences. In fact, I call this the apocalyptic zone on the chart. Losing $1.60 would be tragic. Now, what that truly means? Are we heading towards $3? Or are we actually heading back to a retracement? Well, truth is, in this moment, that depends more on BTC than XRP itself. So in this moment, we have to watch for BTC chart. I'm going to bring that on the screen in a second. You have to understand, at some point, XRP is going to decouple from BTC, but to this day, we still must watch for the overall crypto markets. So as you can see, this is BTC situation. There is a strong resistance level at $92,000. In fact, BTC has failed multiple times to attack this level. However, truth is the open interest has been raising on BTC right now, so I'm slightly more optimistic. And right now, BTC has failed to break this major resistance level on the chart. That's $92,000. And obviously, BTC has to defend the danger zone. This is actually MicroStrategy liquidation price. That's about $74,000. Losing $74,000 would have catastrophic consequences, just like for XRP to actually lose $1.60. So leaving aside all of the technical analysis complications, critical lines on the chart, and things that the average person can't simply comprehend, I'll just make a quick summary so that everyone can understand what to be watching on the charts and what happens next for both XRP and BTC. So quick summary for us to talk about XRP going above $3. Once again, BTC on this moment has to break $92,000. It has failed to reclaim this level multiple times. So right now, I don't have a crystal ball, so I'm not going to tell you 100% what's going to happen in the next 48 hours. However, the fact BTC has failed to break $92,000 resistance level is somehow a major red flag. And for us to have some real movements on XRP chart, we need to break $2.30. I don't think XRP is going to break $2.30 without BTC to climbing above this $92,000 strong resistance level. So these are the levels you have to be watching right now. This is not a financial advice, and you have to understand technical analysis is not a science. Geopolitical events can actually overthrow every single technical analysis at any given moment. So right now, I'm paying close attention to the Venezuela situation. Will there be a military escalation from any Venezuelan allies? So I'm watching very closely the geopolitical tensions between the United States and Venezuela. If there is any signal of BRICS intervention or military escalation, we might see consequences to the crypto markets. So right now, let's be realistic. Let's focus on what the key levels on the charts are presenting to us. Let's focus on the geopolitical tensions. And let's hope 2026 is going to be a year of green candles. If we break $2.30 for XRP, a new all-time high could be on the horizon. Now, if you enjoyed these updates, let me know in the comments, are you bullish on XRP in the long term? And let me know in the comments what you want me to cover on my next video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'm going to drop a link in the description of this video where you can trade crypto without KYC. You can get access to derivatives markets, buy spot XRP, withdraw to a cold wallet. And the best part, you can withdraw up to $500,000 per day without KYC. That's Bitunix exchange. I have an exclusive campaign for my subscribers. You're gonna find the link in the description of this video. Thank you, everyone. I'm gonna see you in the next video.